Hi guys, now I'm going to be transforming my fussy natural hair. First thing I do is to moisturize it with water. I put water in a spray bottle and spray it all over my head, and then I mix it my hands in between my hair. Okay, then I use the Dickens coconut oil. This helps my hair to be softer and stay moisturized. And then I rub it on my hair until it's incorporated well, just a little of it, and then I comb the hair out. Because now the hair is still wet. Okay, so I comb it out and then I try to hold it into a ponytail like this, like so. Then I use a thread around to hold it together. After using a thread, I use two types of gel, which is the white styling gel and the petals black styling gel. You can use got2b glue, but I don't want a strong super hold. I want something that is playful and simple. So just touching it up with the black styling gel and the white styling gel. Okay, if you're using got2b glue, you don't need your hair to be wet. You need to sprinkle water. You can just comb it with a little bit of oil. Now this way I'm actually styling the gel on my natural hair. Okay, then the next thing I do is to use the used attachment to hold. You can use a normal attachment, use or unused, to hold the ends of the packed hair, which I'm going to actually put in buns on top. I keep adding it to have it this fit because I need it to be long enough for it to bend. Sorry for not looking directly at the camera. I was looking at the mirror. Please pardon me. Okay, after doing that, my initial plan was to do 3 in a triple donut bun. Now I'm going to be using 2. This donut bun is made from one foreign donut that I used to make different of them with attachment. This is the foreign donut, what it looks like, and it's different of them. So now I'm sticking with just 2 buns, but I initially wanted to use 3. So now I'm going to be tying the weaving on part of the hair to the length of the buns I'm going to use, which I'm actually going to end up using 2. Don't mind me, yeah, I'm just feeling myself. Okay, so now you put the buns inside like this. Okay, this is what 3 would have looked like, but I felt it was so dramatic since I'm not doing a photo shoot. Okay, but yeah, next I'm going to use my pre-stretched attachment, which you can use Superstar or Darling, and I'm going to put a rubber band inside and then use it to hold the hair. Okay, the next thing I do is to add in the donuts down. I hold it down and put it in, and then I add in the second donut in because I'm doing 2 depending on the length. Meanwhile, I cut the attachment into 2. I actually use Superstar, okay, and I cut into 2 and then stretched it. If it was, I knew it was going to be 2, I would have cut into 3 instead of actually cutting into 2. So now after putting in, I spread it around the donut and then comb it easily to cover the donut to make sure that there are no holes when combing. Okay, next I'm going to be using my thread to design the donut under like so, like the way you are seeing me doing it, and then holding the donut, the top donut, actually the top one first, like this. After that, I'll comb down the down hair and then use a thread and do the same thing to the second donut, and then you can see the beauty of the hair is actually coming out. Then I separate it and comb it and weave each side of the remaining hair into 2. Weave it well, okay, weave it very well. The next thing I do after this to put bobby pins under to hold it for me to sew. Okay, so I'm putting bobby pins down under, and then I now put round the hair around it. You can actually sew if you want. Okay, I still sewed it, but I lost the clip of the sewing part to hold where the bobby pins were, and then put the weaving under, and yeah, our hair is ready. Okay.